Stay hydrated, guys. I am really sorry, you guys, because I have been on MIA since more than 2 weeks now, and I have not uploaded any videos since then. The reason behind that was I was busy shooting some extreme makeup videos for my Instagram reels. Follow me on Instagram if you will. So you can go ahead and check those makeup videos out. Also, I had fallen sick. I had a very bad sore throat, and like I was not keeping well actually, and that is the reason why I was not able to post any videos. And hope this video works out well so that I will be regular again. Yeah. Hello everyone, it's me Sampurna Karmakar, and if you're seeing this face for the first time, don't forget to consider subscribing, but only after watching this and only if you like. So this right here is the order in which I do my makeup, and like ideally everyone does their makeup, but we are going to shuffle this up, and this is the alphabetical order in which I'm going to do my makeup. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I am back. I have prepped up my skin, ready to go through all the torture that I am about to go through. And let's just have a 5 seconds of silence for my skin. Just kidding. Let's get on to the video. I have written all the makeup that I have to apply in the alphabetical order. So coming on to the first step in the alphabetical order is blush, and for blush I have the Nika liquid lipstick. This is a matte lipstick, of course, in the shade Slay. I'm going to apply a good amount of blusher so that when I have applied the foundation and the concealer, it still shows up a little bit. Really understand what God. It's lit. This looks so funny. ऐसा लग रहा है यहाँ पे किसी ने घूसा मारा है. And this is looking like a monkey's ass. Anyways, moving on to the next step. For the next step, I have to apply C for compact powder. So for compact powder, I am going to use the Purple's Go in Bananas compact powder. I'm almost done with this. Like I've hit the pan. अब मैं कहाँ ही apply करूँ इसको? I'm just going to repeat whatever I do. I am in need of foundation so much. मैं कहाँ apply करूँ इसको? I don't. That's it. For the next step, I have concealer. So for concealer, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty's concealer. I'm going to take a good amount of concealer. Now I am going to blend it with the beauty blender, and I am obsessed with this concealer, trust me. I cannot even tell you, I'm looking like Moving on to the next step, I have contour. So to contour my face, I am going to use the Insights Concealer Contour Palette and blender. Alright, done with the contour. Now moving on to the next step in the alphabetical order, we have the eyebrows. So for the eyebrows, I am going to use the Blue Heavens Fog Free Eyebrow Definer. Done with the eyebrows, cannot go ahead and conceal them and put it into shape because I cannot do that. Okay, moving on to the next step in the alphabetical order, we have the eyeliner. So I have decided for eyeliner, I am going to do the reverse eyeliner that's trending right now, so that I don't have to, you know, do the eyeliner smartly. Taki eyeshadow pata chale. Okay, so for eyeliner, I am going to use the N by Base liquid eyeliner in the shade blue. right now. I know that it's feeling a bit weird, but just stay with me, trust me. I am going to, you know, just get you through it. So moving on to the next step, we have my favorite, the eyeshadows. So for eyeshadows, I'm going for a bold kind of look. I've already applied the liner in the lower waterline, but I'm going to create a smoky kind of look so that it complements the liner that I've applied. Moving on to the next step, I have the foundation finally to say. I'm going to use the Nykaa Skin Shield foundation. Alright, done with the foundation. Blush बहुत थोड़ा सा दिख रहा है, which I was expecting कि वो इतना ही दिखे. And yeah, I'm happy how it has turned out to be. Not liking the eyeshadow because palette was very tough to work with. I wish I could have chosen another eyeshadow palette. For the next step, we have the highlighter. So for the highlighter, I have the Inside Cosmetics Insta Ready highlighter, illuminating highlighter. I'm just gonna go with it thoda sa because this is a very subtle highlighter and I don't want any like on the face highlighter right now because I'm already looking like a shit. Alright, done with highlighting the face. Moving on to the next step in the alphabetical order, we have the kohl or the kajal. So for that, I am going to use the Faces Canada kajal. Like I'll smoke the upper eyelid and lower. For the next step in the alphabetical order, we have the lipstick. So I am going to apply the NY Base Shakti lip shade. I am in love with this shade, very obsessed. I even wore this in my last Raksha Bandhan video. I think that this lipstick has saved me right now because now I am confident enough to move on. So moving on to the next step in the alphabetical order, we have the mascara. So for mascara, I'm going to use the Maybelline's False Lash Lift mascara. Can you see the difference? Like, in love with this mascara, like highly recommended. Alright, moving on to the next step in the alphabetical order, we have the primer. That is ideally the first step in makeup. I cannot skip it. I will have to apply the primer. So, kahan pe apply kar? I am done with the makeup, but I have to apply. For primer, I am going to use the NY Base Blur-In Primer. Okay. Done applying primer. Now moving on to the last and final step according to the alphabetical order is the setting spray. Thank God setting spray starts with S and not A. Varna pehle hi face set karna padta and then applying the makeup makes no sense. Although applying the makeup and applying the primer also makes no sense, but so the setting spray, I am going to use the Inside Cosmetics Makeup Fixer Spray. So finally done with the makeup. Now I am going to go off camera, put on some lashes and be right back, all dressed out. So this is the final look. I have applied the lashes and blush बहुत थोड़ा सा दिख रहा है, पूरा face लग रहा है बस foundation है. The lipstick has been a savior here and the eyelashes has been a savior here. I did not add eyelash in my list because I always apply my eyelashes at the end क्योंकि वो glue बहुत messy हो जाता है, so I did not consider that as a product in my routine. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I have messed up with my makeup routine for this and I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. or please do consider subscribing to my channel and do like this video. So I will see you next time. Until then, bye bye.